So, new Apple leak confirms surprising decision about the next iPhone. It appears that Apple has decided how to market the parking special edition of the iPhone that will replace the iPhone SE. First of all, let's talk about the design of the iPhone SE 2. These concepts are made by PhoneArena.com, and iPhone SE 2 will definitely look like this. So the iPhone SE 2 is rumored to have the same exact dimensions as the original iPhone SE, that is 4.87 inches. The big change from the original, of course, is the much larger screen and a notch. As far as the design goes, at least without the home button of its predecessor, the iPhone SE 2 is expected to adopt the same gesture-based user interface that the iPhone X debuted with the last year. As far as other design changes are concerned, there aren't that many. The iPhone SE 2 will likely retain the boxy design of the original with the same button arrangement to the sides and top of the device, that is volume keys and mute switch on the left and power button at the top. And here is a more angular notch, actually goes along quite well with the rumored boxy design of the iPhone SE 2. So now here is another surprising news of the iPhone SE 2. The news comes from Naughty Technology reported Evan Blass and his always informative Twitter account. He is saying that the iPhone SE 2 will be called the iPhone SE 2018, but the suspicion is that iPhone is working on two SE-like models. The iPhone SE 2018 is going to be the direct replacement at the lower end of the portfolio. Effectively, SE will replace the SE, while a less expensive version of the iPhone X may pop up at the higher end. More on that handset expected to be the iPhone X SE, which will look like this. I know it's a surprising news. So what's your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.